Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, I bring before you another wonderful herb, Punarnava. Let me explain to you the health benefits, its uses and its side effects. Punarnava, a medicinal plant, has been used in medicine since ancient times. It offers all range of health benefits. It is extremely good for the liver and prevent infections. You can consume Punarnava in the form of tablets as it acts as diuretic and can prevent kidney stones from developing. It's good for patients with arthritis and diabetes. It can treat urinary tract infections, heavy menstruation, fibroids and clotting in women. Punarnava leaf powder fights against obesity and prevents heart failure from occurring. It is good for the eyes and digestion, and it is also used as a laxative. It can cure impotence and erectile dysfunction as well. It can also help with certain kinds of cancer. So let me explain you in detail about Punarnava. Punarnava, scientifically known as Boerhaavia diffusa, is used in Ayurveda due to its many health benefits. It is also known as starvine, red spiderling, horse purslane, red hogweed, and spreading hogweed. The word Punarnava means that revives the body and brings the youth back. For treatment, the leaves, aerial part and the roots are mostly used. The leaves of Punarnava are commonly used as vegetables in many parts of India. The tiny purple, white, carnine and pink flowers of Punarnava plant grow all over the place. There are mainly two varieties, one with red stem, other one is green or we call white, and both are used for medicinal benefits. Now let me explain you the nutritional value of Punarnava. Punarnava leaf and bark powder are high in nutritional content, which is why it has been identified for its health benefits. 100 gram of Punarnava will have 1.61% of daily recommended dosage, 162 milligram of sodium, 2.26% of protein, 44.8 mg of vitamin C, along with 142 milligram of calcium. It also has got iron in it. Nutrients present in Punarnava plant are extremely important for your liver, kidney, eyes, and efficient functioning of the body, and can help you to prevent from many diseases and infections. Now let me get in detail about the health benefits of Punarnava. Use of this Ayurvedic herb. It is called as Amrit. Punarnava, which holds antioxidants, wound healing power, anti-inflammatory properties, and can be used for urinary tract infection, liver detoxification, and many more. If you are trying to lose some extra weight, then add Punarnava powder and tea in your diet. Another health benefit of Punarnava leaf are it's good for removal of kidney stones. You can find Punarnava tablets, Punarnava powder and Punarnava root extracts in your local stores, and add this herb in your daily lifestyle to get effective health benefits. Even you can make and drink Punarnava juice, which is good for your eyesight. Mentioned below are some of the great health benefits of Punarnava. It's a belief that when the Amrit was carried by goddesses, it fell on Amritaballi. The second one in the list is Punarnava. So therefore, it has got great health benefits. So firstly, Punarnava leaf powder benefits the liver. The liver is one of the most important organs of your body. It works hard when the body is under attack, and unhealthy liver can lead to additional fatigue and stress during sickness. So Punarnava powder is extremely rejuvenating your liver. It helps stimulate the secretion of bile on a regular basis. That is why it keeps your liver healthy and functional. Secondly, the Punarnava extract acts as a natural remedy for urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections are extremely common in women. Although they can happen in men as well, they cause a lot of discomfort as well as burning sensation while urinating. So Punarnava powder has anti-spasmodic, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties in it. Together, these can work fantastic cure for all your problems in urinary infection. Punarnava herb can also be used to cure UTIs during pregnancy. It does not have any adverse effect on mother or the baby. Now Punarnava, which is called as Biohavia diffusa, is good for weight loss. One of the widely known benefits of Punarnava is that it helps fight obesity. Most herbal slimming formulas in the market contain Punarnava because it is so effective. This herb helps by stimulating excretion and the removal of extra fluids from the body without losing out on potassium or electrolytes that are needed by your body. Diuretic nature of Punarnava plant. Urinating is one of the most important body functions. This is because it helps to get out excess toxin, water, fat from the body, ultimately keeping it healthy, ensuring that all organs function as smooth as possible. Punarnava drug is diuretic, which means that it stimulates regular and plenty of urination. It helps to keep the body clean. Regular urination also clears out the calcium accumulated in the kidneys, thus preventing kidney stones. Frequently urinating can help get rid of excess fluids. Punarnava is also antibiotic effect. Diabetes can be extremely dangerous if not controlled properly. Punarnava is a herb that can help you control your diabetes. This is because its leaf control the glucose levels present in the body, which is extremely beneficial for diabetes. Punarnava drug in Ayurveda helps in increase of plasma levels. So therefore it is good for diabetic patients. Punarnava root juice good for eyes. As eyes are extremely sensitive part of the body, they can be susceptible to a number of diseases and infections at any given point of the day. That is why it is so important to protect them and administer the right cure when something goes wrong. Punarnava root juice can be used to cure the eyes of a number of infections and diseases such as conjunctivitis, night blindness and so on. A few drops of juice used directly in the eyes can work wonders for your eyesight. Potential benefits of Punarnava for your heart health. Punarnava plant can help you protect congestive heart failure. This is because it reduces the workload that is put on the heart by inducing edemas. Ayurvedic herbs Punarnava reduce arthritis pain. Punarnava herb is known to be a good remedy for arthritis. This is because the herb provides a lot of relief from pain in the joints and the pain of inflamed muscles. In order to use this herb to relieve these pains, it must be ground into paste then applied topically. You can let the Punarnava extract paste on your skin for as long as you want, as there will not be any side effects. Punarnava on impotence problems. Impotence can be a huge problem. Punarnava seeds are extremely beneficial to those who are suffering from impotence. It can help revive the entire male reproductive organ. Can also induce a lot of vitality and vigor. and it also increases your libido. Punarnava seeds can improve the overall quality of the semen that is produced. It can also be a good home remedy for erectile dysfunction. Punarnava juice to manage stomach disorders. Punarnava plant is a great herb if you are suffering from stomach disorders. This is because it strengthens the stomach muscles. It can also kill and get rid of intestinal worms, which is an important function as worms can be quite harmful in your body and leads to starvation and death. Punarnava rich in antioxidants, anti-cancer and anti-hepatic. Apart from the uses listed above, Punarnava plant can be used in variety of other ailments as well. It can help cure asthma. It's a good remedy for gout. Can prevent there from being high amounts of uric acid in the blood. Punarnava leaf powder is considered a good remedy for cancer and it is an anti-cancer agent. Punarnava is also a good antioxidant, cardiokine, anti-hepatic and chlorhatic agent. So Punarnava is a remedy for many ailments and it is good that we use Punarnava in different ways for a healthy lifestyle. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Gardening is my love. So please subscribe, like and share. Also a disclaimer before we end this show. If you are using the Punarnava extract, please take the advice of medical practitioner before consuming or applying topically. So thank you for watching this episode. Thank you very much.